friends, what's up? This is our Carefone 360 reader. Right now I'm going to show how to download and install macOS 12 Monterey developer beta on your Mac. Apple has released macOS 12 Monterey with notable features like universal control, FaceTime SharePlay, the new focus mode, shortcuts app, live text, all-new Safari, and more. Having tried out the macOS 12 developer beta, I must say that the latest iteration of macOS has got everything covered to be top-notch, both in terms of delivering seamless performance and high-end security. So if you have an Apple developer account, you can also try out the macOS 12 beta for free. If you're all set to get started, let me walk you through the quick steps. Before getting started, make sure you have subscribed our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any update from 360 Reader. Keep in mind that it's best to use a secondary Mac to install macOS 12 Monterey beta since performance and reliability issues are common. If you are not already enrolled as an Apple developer, you will need to do that by going to Apple developer website. Apple charges $99 per year for developer account. Otherwise, you can wait for the free public beta program that will launch in July. Make sure your Mac is compatible with macOS Monterey. These Macs support macOS 12, 2015 and later MacBook, early 2015 and later MacBook Air, early 2015 and later MacBook Pro, late 2014 and later Mac Mini, late 2015 and later iMac, 2017 and later iMac Pro, late 2013 and later Mac Pro. First off, make a fresh backup of your Mac in case you want to downgrade your device at any point. On your Mac, head to Apple's developer website. After that, click Account in the top right corner and sign in if you are not already. Now click the two-line icon in the top left corner and then choose Downloads and make sure the Operating Systems tab is selected at the top. After that, click Install Profile next to the macOS Monterey beta. Then head to your Downloads folder and you should see the macOS Beta Access utility. Next up, you have to double-click it to mount the utility disk image. Now double-click the Access Utility.pkg to install the macOS Beta profile on your Mac. The System Preferences software update window should launch automatically with the macOS Beta appearing. Click Upgrade now to download the update, almost 12 GB in size. When the download is complete, you will see a new window to install macOS Monterey. Click Continue. That's pretty much it. So that's the way you can download and install macOS 12 Monterey developer beta on your Mac. Now that you have installed it, now go ahead and explore all new features that have arrived in macOS 12. If you have found this video helpful, do like and share it, and I'll see you in the next video with more such helpful tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and have a great time. Bye-bye.